Hi there, my little artists. Gotcha, kids. Welcome back to Gotcha. Let's draw. Today we're drawing something super sweet. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. It's pink, it's wrapped, and it's delicious. We're drawing candy. Let's get started. First, grab a plastic glass to help us draw 2 half circles. Draw a half circle in the middle of the paper, then move over a little bit, and draw another half circle, leaving a small space between them. This space will help us make those twisty ends on each side. Now let's make one of those twisty ends. From one end of the half circle, draw a small curved line like this. Perfect! On the same side, draw another curved line from the end of the second half circle. Now we have both sides of our first twisty end. Next, draw 2 small straight lines coming out from each end of the curved lines, but don't join them just yet. They're like little arms for our twisty end. To close it off, join these lines with a small backward C shape. Now we've got one twisty end ready. Let's do the same thing on the other side of the candy. Draw 2 curved lines from the ends of the half circles, 2 straight lines coming out, and join them with a C shape. Awesome! Now we have both twisty ends done. Our candy is looking delicious. Let's add a cool design to our candy. Use the plastic glass again to draw 2 curved lines in the middle of the candy. Leave a bit of space in between for a shiny reflection. Now, to make the twisty ends look like real wrappers, let's add some small lines on each side. Just a few to make it look crinkly and wrapped up tight. Whoosh! Watch how those little lines are going to make it look just like a wrapped candy. Alright, it's coloring time. First, I'll draw a curved line with my pink marker here to create a little shiny reflection. I'll add a few more reflections on the twisty ends too. Now color everything pink except for the reflections and the middle design. Pause me if you need more time to catch up. Look at our candy, so cute and colorful. What's your favorite part? The twisty ends, or the shiny reflection in the middle? I love how it's turning out. For the design in the middle, I'm using violet. You can choose any color you like. Maybe even rainbow stripes. Look at that. Our candy looks so cute. You could stop here if you're happy, or you can add a little extra touch with me. To make our candy look even sweeter, I'm adding a red layer over the pink at the bottom of the candy. This adds a shadow effect and makes it look extra yummy. And ta-da! Our wrapped candy is ready to shine. Great job, everyone. You're all candy artists now. I'm so proud of your work. Keep practicing, and don't forget to share your candy creations with me. I can't wait to see them. See you next time, and keep drawing. Gotcha, kids.